Hello, it's Chris from Customer Success here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to talk to you about users. There are two types of user on AgentRelay, admins and agents. Like an account owner, an admin role has full access to the administration portal, including the account settings, as well as access to properties, viewings and reports. It is straightforward for admins to add new users and edit or delete existing users. We will cover the user management process in depth in a separate video. Agents. An agent's role has much more limited access to the administration portal. An agent can add, edit or delete properties, manage their viewings and request reports. They do not, however, have access to the account settings that an admin has. So I hope this little overview has given you a good insight into the two different types of roles. Thank you.